With M1, you can create your first portfolio with pies and slices. To just explore, you decided to set up a sample pie with a focus on fixed income investments through bond ETFs. Click on the menu and choose My Pies under the Research section. My Pies is the place where you can build and save pies that you are not ready to add to your account. Later, when building your account's portfolio, you can choose pies from My Pies. To build your sample bond pie, click Build a Stock and Fund Pie. Name the pie Bond Pie. This will help you find the pie when creating or editing your portfolio in your account. Then click Add a Slice to search for the bonds you want to include. At the top of the screen, you need to choose the Funds tab. ETF search results will not appear if you search under Stocks. Based on your research, you might be interested in adding funds like the iShares iBoxx Investment Grade Corporate Bond ETF with the symbol LQD, and the Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF with the symbol BND. You also want to find an ETF that has municipal bonds and one that does not, such as AGG and Muni. At the top of the screen, you will see Add Slices and the number of funds you've selected. This is your cart, and when you're done adding slices, you can add these to the pie you've just created. There are also model portfolios, which are pre-built portfolios designed to help you get started. Click Add a Slice and then the Model Portfolios tab, then select Income Earners. Within this category, there are different bond strategies. For this pie, select medium-term bonds. To see the holdings and targets, at the top, click the Targets tab. Since this matches your strategy, close the details and click the plus to add it to your sample bond pie. Keep in mind that M1 does not manage these portfolios for you. It's up to you to decide if you want to add these model portfolios to your account, fund them, and allocate a percentage of your assets. Updates typically happen on an annual basis, where M1 will change the targets, but it's up to you to rebalance. After hitting done, you can choose your target allocations. For this example, you want all your bond choices to be equally weighted, so just hit save. Now you are ready to add this pie to your portfolio and build out a more balanced strategy for your account. Start by choosing the Invest tab from the home screen and navigate to your account. Then click on Choose Securities to begin setting up your portfolio. To start with a combination of bonds and stocks for this example. For bonds, include your sample pie from My Pies. To find that pie, click the My Pies tab and hit the plus button to add that to the cart. You can rename the pie in your account. For this sample, just keep it My Portfolio. Next, switch to the Stocks tab and add Amazon just by searching by name instead of how you previously searched by symbol. And then add Berkshire Hathaway. Now you have 3 slices in your pie, a bond sub-pie which includes a model portfolio and 2 stocks. This is just for demonstration. You can add as many slices or sub-pies as you like. Next, set your target allocations. For this example, to make the pie bond heavy and stock light, adjust the targets so that 60% will go towards bonds and evenly distribute the rest to the equities slices. Once the portfolio targets are set, click Save to confirm. Your pie is now created and ready to invest in. With automated deposit investment and a well-researched pie setup, your portfolio remains balanced and aligned with your long-term financial goals. This makes it simple to manage and grow your investments by relying on automation and rules that you set through M1 tools like smart transfers. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your research and consult with a financial professional before making investment decisions.